Hey friends, this is a digital HD TV antenna. It's rated for indoor, outdoor, and it's 4K Ultra Band. On today's quick video, I'm just going to show you how to install it, and we'll turn it on and see how it works. So inside the packaging, you're going to find a user manual, some screws and mounts if you want to mount this somewhere, as well as some sticky mounts if you'd rather do it that way. This actually can sit on our TV shelf though, so it's going to be fairly easy for us to set up. But as you can see, there's some mounting brackets and things like that, where you can stick this kind of near a window, get a little bit more range. We're also going to have some cables that come out of the main antenna. We're looking at the antenna cable here that plugs into the antenna port on your TV. And then there's also a USB port here, which is going to plug into your TV's USB. And that is what is going to give the antenna power. So we're going to be installing this on a TCL TV. Most TVs, if you have the new smart TVs, are going to be very, very similar though. So let's come over here on this side of the TV. Again, I've got the antenna. And as you can see on this side of the TV, we have all of our ports. We're looking at the antenna. That's where we're going to plug in that antenna end. And then up at the top here, we have our USB port where we can plug in for power. So there's the antenna. Again, we're just going to stick it right there in the antenna port. Then make sure you do tighten down that little ring nut that's right there and make sure we have a good connection. Now, obviously there's a lot of cable length that we can unravel here. In fact, there's a whole roll here that allows us to get the antenna closer to the window. I'm going to keep it cinched up like this though. It just helps with cable management. And this way we can get the USB up here in the top. And that's it. We're going to leave our antenna back here on our bookshelf. Again, this can be mounted on the wall, even on the TV if needed with those sticky mounts. Let's turn this on and see if we can get some channels. So back here on the home screen, let's go over to the settings options here on the far right corner, and we're going to run that antenna scan. Okay, so inside the settings, we're going to go over to channels, and then we can run the channel scan. All right, digital scan is in progress. Okay, we grabbed all our channels, and now we can just use our little channel list to scroll through all of the different options that it found. You can see these are all the typical digital antenna stations that you're going to get, including all the HD channels. There you go, friends. The antenna works great, and we are excited to get some channels now from our local network.